Hi, I'm Emily with Hybrid Shooter, and today we are going to take a look at some footage from the DJI Mini 3 Pro that we've shot in the past 6 months while traveling around the world. We absolutely love this drone. We are able to capture professional aerial footage without any compromise in quality, in Ultra HD, D-Log, and high frame rate. This drone truly has all you need to get cinematic footage in a small portable travel-sized package. The high-resolution footage looks fantastic and doesn't suffer from over-sharpening that previous DJI Mini drones exhibited. Being able to shoot in D-Log gives us amazing dynamic range, and the various frame rates gives us a ton of flexibility. You are also now able to capture up to 48-megapixel photos for stunning land and cityscapes. The Mini 3 Pro now also gives up to 47 minutes of flight time with the Intelligent Plus battery, which was unheard of with previous generations of drones. Low light is much improved thanks to the Mini 3 Pro's f1.7 aperture. We are now able to get great-looking footage before the sun rises or after the sun sets with minimal noise. Simply incredible for a drone this size and price point. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the perfect drone if you are looking for a travel-size flyer that is capable of capture stunning cinematic footage. It doesn't matter if you are a hobbyist or a professional, this drone will get the job done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you and see you next time.